Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Guys, today we are having a cookout here for our YouTube channel, Sister's Kitchen. So guys, in this I have a pot of stew chicken over here. That's finished. And I have the curry goat over here. And I have a pot of oxtail over here. I have a pot of oxtail over here. I have a banana bread and some fish. And the guys are outside making burgers, right? So let's go outside. Come follow me, I'm going outside.
I'm joining these guys now, bro. Like I'm going back. That's the only place I'm going. You doing a video right now? Yeah.
I felt your hand. So guys, I have a pot of corn over here. And this one I have my manish water. And these guys are doing, my son is doing hot dog over there. So guys, I'm gonna put some spinners in my soup. So I'm gonna start. So I'll see them and stuff.
About to be 11.
Big. Oh, there's like 4 pieces.
Oh, no, that's the Lord. He's nice. The other one with the long hair.
So guys, if you are in La Salle area, you can pass by without problem.
The whole time you've been up, right? You wake up this morning.
I was like waiting in a line at Walmart.
You want chips?
You're in the front there.
They have no cups out there? Okay. Some plastic cups there around the place.
I brought some outside.
Where is it? Which are them? This one? Do you have Taylor? Do you have? No? Medium, no? Yeah? Everybody else start partying, let's start partying. This part in the heart. This part in the heart. Huh? We're gonna put this in here. Thank you.
I'm 80 bucks. My team broke. I got 80 bucks.
No. Baby! Because we all connected with
You're gonna run. I was about to snitch, so. Like,
Friend Adrian.